Hi everyone, this is my first video. I am taking part in a trial with a company called Lumie for a product that they've brought out called the Lumie Clear, which is obviously a product to do with clearing your acne. The trial takes part for 12 weeks. I have to use the Lumie light every day, and I'll be blogging to you guys or vlogging to you guys once a week to let you know about how the product's working, how I feel about the product, how things are going, and what's kind of going on. So first of all, I'm just going to introduce you to the product. Before I do that, I just want to let you guys know that in no way am I being paid to promote the product to you. I'm just giving an honest review to you guys about the product, and the company aren't paying me to do that or anything like that. So this is truly from me to you about what I think is going to be a really good product. So first of all, this is the box it came in. I don't know if you can see that. It's okay. I wouldn't say it's the most amazing packaging that I've seen. It's not very up to date is probably the words I would use. It just seemed a little bit dated to me, the kind of picture, and I don't know, just the whole layout. I wasn't kind of caught by that. It didn't really catch my eye when I opened it. So maybe the packaging could be better, especially as the product retails at about £130, which for actually the product and the usage that you're going to get out of it, I don't think it's that expensive. But when you do buy a product of that cost, in my experience, I want something to kind of feel that it's worth the money. So that kind of part of the packaging let me down. The actual packaging of the product I really loved. So I'm just going to show you the product now. Let me actually get it. It's all caught up here. Okay, so this is the actual product, and as you can see, it's quite small. It's got that kind of glossy white finish, almost a bit appley, which I love. And it's got the green colour. Not sure again how the green relates to the blue packaging. This is why it didn't really kind of match up for me. It was a bit odd, but love the green. I think the green's really nice, really fresh, and quite light, sits on your counter fine. I think maybe one improvement could be that it doesn't have to be plugged in. At the moment it does. You have to have it plugged in for it to work. So maybe they could think about improving that, where it maybe charges and you can use it without it being plugged in. But to be honest, I've been using this for a week and it hasn't really caused me too many problems having to plug the product in. I've just been sitting in front of the telly and things like that and using the product while I'm just sitting around the house, so that's really good. Not that I'm sitting around the house much, to be honest. I have, over the course of the week, so 7 days, I did miss one day. I've had a lot going on. I've been really busy at work and things have kind of got a bit hectic, so I've actually only used it for 6 days, but the 6 days I have used it, it has really worked. I've found that my skin feels calmer. There's definitely less redness going on. I did get a breakout on, I think it was, yes, this cheek here. After the first 2 days of using it, it seemed like a few of my spots actually came out of my skin, which I think is really good, the fact that it's kind of removing those toxins and getting rid of it. So I really liked the fact that I did have a small breakout, because it meant it was really kind of getting to the acne. So let me show you the product before I blab on for a year. So this is what the product actually looks like when you open it up. So this would be how you would use it if you are to sit and do your whole face or your chest or your back if you suffer with acne in those areas. But in actual fact, I've been using it like that, just the handheld thing. I haven't been using it as a stand-up thing. So this is the light, and you literally apply it directly to the affected areas. So my two affected areas mainly is my two cheeks and under here, under my chin, which is a very hormonal place for a woman. So I do suffer with acne breakouts then. I've had acne since I was about 12, so I've suffered with it for a long time. Throughout my teen years it was, I would class, and I think my doctor and all the other people I saw about my acne would definitely class it as severe acne, and I have been left with scarring on my face because of that. So this, I'm hoping, will help that. It does say that the blue LEDs is to do with the bacteria removing and also help scarring. The red lights are to do with the inflammation, so reducing the swelling, reducing the redness and helping that part of the acne. So combined together, I'm hoping over the course of the 12 weeks they're really going to do the job. And even over just 6 days of using the product, I found at the moment it seems to be working. My partner says that he has seen a slight difference in my skin, that it seems fresher, he said, like seemed like it was kind of renewed almost. I'm not too sure about that. I think maybe because I'm using it, I'm looking at my skin every day, it's very hard for me to see the changes. So I'm just going to show you the light first of all. I don't really want to shine it at the camera, but that's what it looks like when you put it on your skin. It actually, I don't know if you can see it, in my mirror it comes out in a really bright, vibrant kind of pink colour. It's amazing to look at, to be honest. It's really like beautiful. I think the pink and the green, just they're probably two of my favourite colours, so I really liked it when I turned it on. But you literally do this for 15 minutes each affected area. So if you're doing like me, 2 cheeks, you could have the light on for 15 minutes on each cheek. That's absolutely fine to do that. It does get hot. I'm just going to turn it off. So that's what it looks like. I don't want to shine it at the camera because the glare will probably kill your eyes. I've been doing 15 minutes each side and kind of underneath my chin area as well. You do get goggles as well if you're going to do the whole face or chest or back area. Probably not your back because you won't look at it, but this kind of front area. Please do wear the goggles because it can harm your eyes. My eyes are have always been light sensitive anyway, so I have to be quite careful when I'm using the light not to kind of get it in my eyes. But overall, at the moment, at the 6-day mark, I'm really impressed with it. It's really easy to use. I've been sitting in front of the telly watching, I was going to say EastEnders, but I don't watch EastEnders. Watching the telly, whatever's on, X Factor or something like that, and I've been using it while I'm sitting there. It's so easy to do that. I think during the course of the week I did get caught up in things and I didn't use it for one day, but my skin even feels softer. I am keeping up with my normal cleansing routine, so I am still cleansing my face, moisturising my face. I am still wearing makeup and things like that, so you've obviously got to keep your face clean. You don't just use the light and forget everything else. You must keep up that routine as well. And so far I can really, it feels, I've actually just done it before I did the video. I actually sat there and did my 30 minutes, so my skin is actually still to touch a little bit warm. There's no pain involved. As I said, it gets slightly warm, not even hot, actually just warming, which is quite nice as it's absolutely freezing in my house at the moment. So yeah, overall week 1, really good week, and I can't wait for the next 12 weeks to really see the improvement coming. So yeah, I'll leave it at that, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye.